friend who will tell you about conventional implicature in Al-Azhar boarding school. So, before that, let me introduce me and my friends. Start from me, my name is Fahana Putri.
My name is Sharon Bingar.
My name is Mufina Riza.
My name is Amanda Kalista.
Keep watching and let's get started.
Social beings who need each other to live. In daily life, people form relationships and interact with one another. For these interactions to go well, good communication are important. The main tool people use to communicate is language. Language helps us to share ideas, express feeling, and understand to each other. According to Chair 2011, language is a system of sounds used by a group of people to work together, talk, and show who they are. This means language is very important in our lives. Without it, it will be hard to connect with others. One area that studies how we use language in real life is called pragmatics. As Nadar 2009a says, pragmatics helps us learn how language works in communication. Pragmatics focuses not only what is said, but also on what is meant, depending on context. It explores how meaning shaped by social and situational factors. One key concept in pragmatics is implicature, when speakers imply something beyond the literal meaning of their words. Understanding implicature is especially important in environments where politeness, respect, and indirectness matter, such as in teacher-student communication at Islamic boarding school.
Conventional implicatures are the opposite of all conversational implicature discussed so far. They are not based on the principle of cooperation or maxim. According to 2006, unlike conversational implicatures, conventional implicatures do not rely on specific context or conversational settings and are determined by the conventional meanings of the words used. According Hadiati 2007, identifies four types conversational implicatures. There is representative, directive, commissive, and expressive. Implicature itself refers to a meaning implied by an utterance that is not explicitly stated and goes beyond the literal meaning. According Sofian 2022, implicature is a central study in pragmatics, allowing speaker to convey indirect meanings while maintaining politeness, respect, and social harmony, especially in formal or religious environments such as Al-Azhar.
Types and example. 1. Representative. The speaker expresses a belief, report, or statement about reality. Explanation. They are talking about a big new announcement from the president. Emma thinks it will have a big impact, and Jack says it already has because people are talking about it online. Jack doesn't directly say how it's changing things, but his response implies that the news is already affecting public opinion. Listeners can understand the implied meaning through context. 2. Directive. The speaker tries to get the listener to do something. Explanation. It seems like the teacher is about to give important information, possibly related to the news Emma mentioned. The teacher tells everyone to pay attention and not worry about reading just yet. The teacher doesn't say, I want you to listen carefully because something important is happening. But that's what is implied. The focus is on hidden meaning based on the situation. 3. Commissives. The speaker commits to a future action or intention. Explanation. They are planning for a group meeting. Mike wants to make sure Sarah is coming because her opinion is important. Sarah promises to be there. We really need your input. Suggests that Sarah's presence is not just helpful but very important without saying it directly. Number 4. Expressive. The speaker expresses their feelings or emotional state. Explanation. They are celebrating Lisa's success in her exams. Lisa is thankful, and David congratulates her, showing appreciation and support. When David says, "You totally deserve it," it conventionally implies praise and support. Without needing extra interpretation, it's culturally understood.
Teacher and student at Al-Azhar Islamic Boarding School.
This study aims to uncover and describe the meanings and types of the conventional implicatures contained to the conversation of teachers and students at the Salafiyah Syafi'iyah Al-Azhar Islamic Boarding School.
The method is, according to Zuria 2005, this type of research is qualitative descriptive study. The descriptive approach can be defined as research that seeks to provide a systematically and accurate the actual data and characteristics.
Next is procedure. First, prepare a data to organize the conversation data. Second, select relevant data, especially those that contain conversational implications based on writer observation and experience. Third, describe and explain the selected data, including reason why they were chosen. Fourth, draw conclusion by reviewing the selected data for accuracy. Fifth, verify the data by checking it again based on the writer's observation and experience.
This is an example of general conversational implication. It means the student giving information that has an implied meaning, even though it's not said directly. In Al-Azhar, boys and girls are not allowed to talk unless they are family or have permission. So when the student tells the teacher Agos are talking to Frida, the real meaning is Frida and Agos breaking the rules and should be punished. This is an example of scholar conversational implication. That means the students use the word like some to give certain impression, even though it's not very clear how much they've really done. When the teacher say, tomorrow exam is not just giving information, but it's mean the teacher wants the student to study. And when the student replies they studied some of the material, the word some suggests not at all. This is an example of special conversational implication. It means the answer doesn't directly match to the question, but there's a hidden meaning need to be understood from the context. The teacher question expect yes or no answer, but Faki say, I haven't studied yet, which directly not answer the question. So, to understand the real meaning, the teacher has to interpret what Faki is trying to say. Faki answer likely means he doesn't ready or he doesn't want to be in the quiz, maybe because he feels nervous, unprepared, or scared. This is an example of conventional implicature because the student not directly say, I'm late because my bike broken down. Instead, he gave information background that teacher need to interpret. The student answer indirectly explain how the reason being late, and the teacher need to understand and connect that the leaking bike caused the delay. In conclusion, the study finds that language used in Al-Azhar is strongly connected to politeness and religious value. One key aspect of their communication is confessional implication, an extra meaning added by the certain words or phrases without changing the main message. Understand this, student and teacher can communicate more clearly. This research also suggests study on how these meanings appears in daily interaction. So that's all the analysis and explanation about confessional implication in Al-Azhar boarding school. So thank you everyone.